everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So as you must have guessed by the title of this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Wow Skin Science Vitamin C range of products, and I have a couple of their products here with me and I have been using them for a week now, and I'm so excited to review these products with you guys because, to be very honest, I'm super impressed with them. Because after this Navratri season, my skin definitely wasn't feeling the best and it was breaking out and it was very dull. But after using these products for a week now, I see that my skin is healing, the pigmentation, the texture, everything is lightening down and becoming smoother and better. So if you want to know about these products, their benefits and how they work and what are their key ingredients and everything, then you know what to do. Without any further ado, let's get started. Jump into reviewing these products individually, I wanted to just clear out that the main ingredient in all of these products is vitamin C. As we all know that vitamin C is a very good antioxidant, protects our skin from the UV exposure, as well as it inhibits melanin production, which in return lightens our hyperpigmentation, enhances skin radiance, kind of brightens and clears up your complexion. The first product that I have here is the Wow Skin Science Brightening Vitamin C Face Wash, which has mulberry and licorice extracts, vitamin C, lemon and orange essential oils. The key ingredients in this face wash itself are so good. It is 100 ml of product and it costs rupees 249. All of these products are dermatologically tested and are free from all sorts of parabens, silicons, artificial colors and sulfates. So which is very great and is good for all skin types. So this face wash is a brightening and anti-aging cleanser. Gentle exfoliation action will help to remove the layer of dead skin cells from your skin, which will in return help to enhance your complexion. It will also help to fade age spots from your skin and also will boost collagen production. Also, it will help to, clean the dirt, pollution, makeup, residue that is on your skin, revealing a fresher and cleaner skin. I already told you about the benefits of vitamin C. Now, what does mulberry and licorice extract actually do? So, if I short it down, mulberry and licorice extracts will help to lighten your skin tone and will help to slow down excess melanin production, that in return will help to fight patchy and pigmented skin. Now we also have lemon essential oil, which will help to detoxify your skin and in return will reduce excess oil. And moreover, we have orange essential oil, which has great anti-aging properties. This face wash also contains vitamins B3, B5 and E, which will help to nourish dry and dehydrated skin. This face wash has a lovely orangey tangy sort of fragrance, which is very refreshing. The moment I pat dried my face, I instantly saw that my skin was feeling much more brighter, cleaner, and the spots and the dark circles that I was having was appearing pretty much lighter, and it didn't dry my skin out, which I love because most of the face washes that I use tend to dry my skin out, but this didn't, which I absolutely loved. So the next product that we have here is the Wow Skin Science Vitamin C Skin Mist Toner. This is a 200 ml of product and it costs you rupees 399 only. Now this is a hydrating and reviving facial mist that will leave you with dewy, radiant and soft skin. Moving on to the benefits of this toner. Number one, it provides hydration to dry and dehydrated skin, which I loved the most. Number two, it provides like a dual benefit of a mist as well as a toner because it helps to minimize your pores, but on the other hand it also helps to firm your skin. Number three, it makes the skin more supple and also reduces the visible signs of aging. Now talking about the key ingredients of this skin mist, the first key ingredient that we have here is lemon essential oil. As we all know, lemon essential oil is a very powerful antioxidant, and it also protects the skin from free radical damage and also helps to detoxify the skin. Moving ahead, we again have orange essential oil in it. Orange essential oil helps to keep your acne in check, also promotes collagen production and has amazing anti-aging properties. Next up, we have witch hazel extract. Now, witch hazel helps to reduce the redness and irritation from the skin and also helps to repair the skin. The next amazing ingredient that we have in this mist is aloe vera. Aloe vera is great in providing hydration to dry and dehydrated skin. It also helps to nourish your skin, soothe your skin, and overall moisturize it. So I'd like to share my thoughts about this product. So the best thing that it comes in this sort of a spray bottle, which is very easy to use. You have to spray it from a one-hand distance on your face and let it sit for a couple of seconds and then pat it into your skin. Don't rub it or anything, just pat it and let your skin absorb all the goodness of this toner. What I love the most about this mist is that the moment you spray it on your face, it hits you with this very sweet little tangy sort of a fragrance, and it gets very easily absorbed into your skin within seconds, and it really leaves you with glowing skin. I have used it and I've instantly seen a difference. It brightens up my skin, it glows up my skin, and it definitely makes my skin feel a lot soft and supple. The next product that we have here is the Wow Skin Science Vitamin C Serum. This is a oil-free vitamin C face serum, and it has 20% of vitamin C in it, and it is a 30 ml bottle, and it costs you rupees 699 only. Now this serum has the goodness of vitamin C, witch hazel and hyaluronic acid, which will not only help to fade pigmentation but also will help to fight signs of aging, will protect your skin from the damage of free radicals, and will also help to nourish and brighten up your skin. Moving on to the features of the serum, it helps to moisturize, nourish and protect dull, tired and aging skin. It will also help to brighten up your skin. Now this serum delivers natural actives into your skin that will help to nourish it. It also helps to even out patchy complexion and minimizes pigmentation. Next up, we have the benefits of the serum. Now the serum has the goodness of vitamin C, which will not only help to even out the complexion but also will give your skin a radiant glow. We also have witch hazel, which will not only protect your skin but will also purify it and help to restore dull and tired skin. And lastly, we have hyaluronic acid, which will deliver hydration to the skin, which in return will make your skin feel soft and supple. I'm going to share my thoughts on the serum. I loved this one because it easily gets absorbed into your skin. Now I also noticed that my skin started to glow right after I used this serum. Instantly boosts hydration and radiance and glow, all of that good things into your skin, and it really shows up. So that's why I love this one a lot. The last product that I'm going to be talking about is the Wow Skin Science Vitamin C Face Cream with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. I really love the packaging of this product because it has the advanced technology of airless jar. It opens up like this, and you might be wondering where is the product. You just need to press it and the product pops out, which is also very great because it helps to keep the hygiene purpose in check. Now this face cream is a hydrating, brightening and radiance boosting cream that will help to revive your dull and tired skin. Now since this product again has active vitamin C, again help to even out the patchy skin tone. Apart from vitamin C, this face cream also has shea butter. Now shea butter is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which in return will help to manage skin irritations and will help to nourish and repair it. Also this cream contains cocoa butter, which helps to retain the skin's lipid barrier to hold in moisture. Also this cream contains Moroccan argan oil, which is rich in vitamin E and fatty acids and will help to moisturize your skin, boost radiance. I also forgot to mention that this is a 50 ml of product which costs rupees 599 only. What I love about this product is that this is non-greasy, non-sticky and non-oily cream. The consistency of this cream is definitely thick, but it gets absorbed into your skin so easily and so beautifully. As soon as it gets absorbed into your skin, it instantly helps your skin to glow up, and your skin definitely looks a lot moisturized and plump. And I absolutely love how it keeps the moisture intact into my skin, and it doesn't let me feel dry or dehydrated. The glow, the moisture, everything that this cream provides, it's so beautiful and so amazing. I have to say, and I must admit, that this cream has to be my favorite from all of these products. So yes, I guess I have covered each and every aspect of every product out here. To be very honest, products don't work overnight. They take patience and an ample amount of time to show results. Quantity that they provide according to the pricing is really great. I personally feel that the products are great for the price at which they are priced at. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you guys have any other question or any doubts regarding any of the products, then please do let me know in the comment section below. I'll be most happy to help you out. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Also, stay happy and stay safe. I will meet you guys in my next video super soon. Till then, take care. Bye.